So the Iqoo 15 Ultra, yeah, we have seen Iqoo 15. This is going to be a Ultra mobile with some improved gaming features. But the mobile obviously is going to be similar to that Iqoo 15, which we will discuss in this video. First of all, this mobile is going to come with a 6.89 inches of Samsung's M14 technology OLED panel, which supports 144Hz refresh display, and it is going to be a Full HD plus resolution display, and this is going to be a Scotch Sensation glass protected display. When we talk about the display, it also supports Dolby Vision and HDR10 Plus also. When we talk about the processor, this one is going to come with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, which is the 300 based octa-core 5G gaming processor, and this one is going to come with the LPDDR5X Ultra Plus RAM with the UFS 4.1 storage capacity, so we can expect a killer performance from this mobile. By the way, this mobile is going to available in like 12GB RAM 256, 12GB RAM 512GB, and also 16GB RAM 512GB internal storage variants based on the region. But yeah, when we talk about the camera, this is going to be kind of similar to the Iqoo 15, like 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera at the back and 50 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera with optical image stabilizations, obviously, and also it is going to be a 50 megapixels of periscopic camera too. And for the front also, it might come with a 32 megapixels of front facing selfie camera. We can shoot up to 8K 30 with the back and 4K 60 with the front, so that's a fixed thing. But the most improved thing in this mobile, I would say that this mobile has a optical the physical finger buttons, like a triggers, 8 triggers, which my Iqoo 3 has. This is the first generation Iqoo mobile from Iqoo. The Iqoo 3 also has this 8 triggers, which acts as the trigger buttons in PUBG or some games, COD games like that. And these are the physical buttons which help a gamer to game a lot. You already know that. But this mobile is also going to come with one more biggest thing, that is this mobile will come with a physical fan. That you can see this camera cutout, right? This is going to have two cutouts. One is for the intake of the air, one is for the out of the air. Like it takes the air from here and throws the air from there, from the upside. So it is also going to come with the improved thermals compared to the Iqoo 15 also. And when we talk about this mobile's battery, to power up this beast gaming mobile, this mobile is also going to come with a 7000 milliamperes of huge battery, and it supports 100 watts of fast charge through wire and 50 watts of wireless charge and everything in this mobile. And it also comes with a USB 3.2 Gen 1, which also supports connect to Elgato devices and streaming devices like that. When we talk about these mobiles, other features, like this mobile is going to come with the game lot of gaming features which enhances your gaming experience with the help of the Q3 supercomputing chip. You can also get 144Hz refresh rate while gaming. And this one is also going to come with all the sensors, like all the features like Bluetooth 6.0, Wi-Fi 7 Tri-band support, and NFC, and all the features like that. And this mobile is also going to come with the IP68 and 69 water and less resistance. When we talk about the operating system, yeah, this is a big concern since till the last year, but from this year onwards, this mobile is going to come with 100% 16 out of the box with Origin OS 6 probably. And when we talk about this mobile's physical aspects, like this mobile is going to come with the 8 triggers and buttons and front and back glass, and the frame is going to be a the metal frame. When we talk about the box content, this mobile is also going to come with the charger cable and TP case and SIM tool and quick start guides and stuff like that included in the box of the mobile along with the mobile. And when we talk about this mobile's price, it is going to release soon in China. Till the news now, in China the mobile's price is going to be like 85,000 rupees odd. But I don't know if the release in India, if this mobile comes to India, it might probably go around like 95,000 rupees for price range. For that price range, I mean, I don't know who buys this mobile, but yeah, that's about the mobile. If you like the video, hit the like button and also the subscribe button. That's the important thing.